Thank you guys for tuning in to Goon Riders. We're gonna launch a project working on a lot of cars. You know, just trying to make them into some track builds, drift cars, whatever we can. Maybe even do some flips. Starting off with the first one, right here is a 1992 Mazda Miata. We just picked it up about maybe an hour ago, and we're not sure yet what I'm gonna do with it. Got it for under $800, so maybe even just try to flip it, try to see how much money we can get. Whatever you guys decide. You know, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see. The car is running, currently not running because I need to do a battery and it needs a water pump. But that's the main issue with the car, is the water pump. With these, you have to do the water pump and the timing belt, which isn't the easiest thing to do, but I'm not the master mechanic, but I'm gonna do it anyways and show you guys that you can do it too. I can give you a quick little walk around. I mean, so far, the battery's not hooked up, so we're not gonna be able to turn it on, but as you can see, we got the leather interior and stuff, and like the peanut butter color. Everything looks very clean. The top does have a tear on the other end, but it isn't leaking from what I know. Everything under the engine bay is there, and the trunk as well. Like, they even have like the little strap that holds the spare tire. So let me see if I can open this here. All right. Let's go. Put it right there. So yeah, as you can see, it seems to be good. I can keep showing you around the car. The headlights pop up and everything. BBS wheels that come on it. The fender here is a little pushed in, so the door doesn't open properly. But I'll just have to ding that out. The top does go down. Show you the back here. So as you can see, it's all in there. There's even like an Uber sticker. But yeah, the spare tire's in there. The battery's just taken out right now because I'm gonna go get a new one. But like, it's even got the little thing that wraps around the spare, and like the whole cloth inserts are there as well. Let me put this top down for you just so you can see. It's pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So, we're gonna get this fixed up, cruising around in our little convertible, first convertible ever. I know the radio doesn't work, but the AC works, which is pretty sick. But whenever I was using it on the way home and I had the AC on, it would cut off and just stall out randomly. So I'll try to figure out what's up with that. But yeah, keep on, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, let us know what you'd want to see done with it. Also, we do have some merchandise. Well, the shirts we got to reorder, but we do also have stickers. And I'll do a little giveaway. So, I'll do the first 50 people to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll send you a free sticker of your choice. Here, I'll let you see them here. I don't know if you can see them pretty well. But yeah, that's some stickers we made. We're gonna keep them coming out. Sorry, my nasty fingers. But hell yeah, we're gonna keep it rolling. So be sure to stay tuned. Goon Riders.